Good evening, this is Melissa with thestockswoosh.com, and it is January 8th, and I am doing a market update in the QQQs. Very interesting what's been happening with the market. I should have did a video actually yesterday, and I just don't have time, so I'm going to do this one tonight. This move here, okay, now I've been bearish. I've been bearish. Now, up until that point, I said, okay, fine, we might be going higher. Then I said, fine, we might be going higher. Then I said, no, we're still heavy. And then we came in this day, and then this day we came in and retraced, and it was like kind of like a small day. But honestly, now after today, we came in here. I've got to say that the way that this is shaping up here and this is forming is looking bullish. Now, nobody loves to short more than me. And I really felt 100% conviction that the market would retest back in here and also come back down here. That's what I actually thought was the next move down. However, that being said, the way that we're forming here is not bearish. A bearish activity would have been to come in here, which is fine, maybe have a small rest day in here and have a hard red day down here. That's what I wanted to see. We're like stepping down in like a staircase. Like we just took one step, and then we just took two steps, and then we just took three steps. Now, it's been very difficult for people that were doing any kind of strategy with the market. This has been tough to play. It was tough all December, unless you do what I do, which is gaps. And I just play those gaps that work on their own. But if you're looking to play a strategy with the market, with the trend, you're getting chopped to bits and pieces, all right? It's just, it hasn't been an easy read. I've been reading it accurately in my trading room on the day, but it's real time. It's real time, and if I see something happening real time that changes my bias, I say it, okay? That's what you have to do as a professional trader, real time trading. I like to look at the overall picture, but I still look at it real time in an intraday chart in the 15-minute and the 60-minute, and I really use the 15-minute. The 15-minute is my #1 chart for looking at stuff for the market intraday, to be honest with you. I know some people like the 60, but for me it's the 15. Anyways, the way that we're shaping up here is that we're coming in to still come in down here, all right? But we're doing it like a staircase. We're not doing it like a hard drop, all right? If we did it like a hard drop, I'd say that's looking bearish, come on in. But we're doing it like a staircase down, in which case it's like it's a controlled action, and the control means it's not real selling. It's like a pull-in. Does that make sense? So I don't see this. I see the way that we're acting here, and I have to say I'm leaning towards bullish here now, that we're going to actually form a buy setup in the daily chart, you know, somewhere in that support area in the 200. It's fine. I still keep doing what I'm doing. I still keep doing my strategy. I still keep playing gaps. It's just interesting to see the way that this is setting up here. Now, that being said, one of these days we could gap down. Okay, we could gap down somewhere and then forget the staircase, all right? But for now, we're stair-step casing down. And we may do this tomorrow. Or tomorrow we might run up here. And we are 3 days down. I knew today this was a fake out when we triggered here. But you never know. So just looking at the overall picture here, I'd say the way that we are trading, even though we're coming in and it's been basically playing a very tight range in the market, this is a bullish formation that it's setting itself up to be. Remember, the Qs have been more bearish than the SPY. So when I see this, that the Qs are really trying to fix themselves here. It's trying to fix itself. This chart is trying to fix itself. It's been trying to figure itself out here ever since it had this drop off down in here. Ever since this bullish gap up, it's trying to fix itself all in here. And I was leaning bearish, leaning heavy, come in. And every time we tried to go higher, we couldn't in here. And then we broke this, and I said, fine, but no hard drop. We're not getting a hard drop. We're just not getting it. That's what it should be doing to go short, to mean to come in more, you know, to turn around. So we'll just wait and watch it. But I mean, I love to do shorts, but I have to look accurately at what the chart's telling me. And that's what the chart's telling me. So that's the story. So this is Melissa with thestockswoosh.com. If you have any interest in gaps or my live trading room, please feel free to contact me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. I am doing a free open house Wednesday, Thursday, Friday this week, the 9th, 10th, and 11th. If you're interested to stop by the trading room, please feel free to go to Facebook or YouTube to get my information on how to log in, or email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. Thank you and have a great night.